Hold a D minor chord with the middle finger on fret 2 of string 3, little finger fret 3 of string 2, and index finger fret 1 of string 1. Play string 4, 3, 1, 3. Keep the D minor chord held down and move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 5. Play string 5, 3, 2 and 1 together, 3. Keep the little finger held down on fret 3 of string 2 and move the index finger to fret 1 of string 5. Play string 5, 3, 2, 3. Keep the little finger held down on fret 3 of string 2 and move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 6. Play string 6, 3, 1, 2. Move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 2 and play strings 5 and 2 together, then string 3 open. Move the index finger to fret 2 of string 5 and the little finger to fret 3 of string 2. Play strings 5 and 2 together, then as the fingers start to slide up toward the next chord, play string 3 open. Move the index finger to fret 4 of string 5 and the little finger to fret 5 of string 2. Play strings 5 and 2 together, then string 3 open. Move the index finger to fret 2 of string 4 and the little finger to fret 3 of string 1. Play strings 4 and 1 together, then string 3 open. Hold a D minor chord and play string 4 open, followed by 1. Raise the index finger and play string 1 open, then hammer on and pull off the index finger on fret 1 of string 1. Play string 3, 2. Move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 4 and play string 4. Move the middle finger to fret 2 of string 4 and play string 4, then raise the middle finger and play string 4 open. Bars 1 to 4. Keep the little finger held down on fret 3 of string 2 and move the index finger to fret 1 of string 5. Play string 5, 3, 2, 3. Keep the little finger held down on fret 3 of string 2 and move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 6. Play string 6, 3, 2, 3. Hold the index finger on fret 1 of string 1 and play strings 4 and 1, then string 3 open. Move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 5 and play strings 5 and 1, then string 3 open. Move the index finger to fret 1 of string 5 and little finger to fret 3 of string 2. Play strings 5 and 2, then string 3 open. Move the ring finger to fret 3 of string 6, play string 6, then play string 3 open. Bar 7 is similar to bar 6, but on the final note hold the little finger on fret 3 of string 2 and play string 2. Keep the little finger held down on fret 3 of string 2 and play string 5 and 2 together, followed by strings 3, 1, 2. Lift the little finger and hold fret 2 of string 2 with the middle finger. Play strings 5 and 2 together, hammer on the little finger to fret 3 of string 2 and then pull off. Lift the middle finger, play string 2 open and then hammer on the middle finger to fret 2 of string 2. Play string 4 open. Bars 5 to 9. Here's the complete intro.